Hello, how are you all doing? Hope you're all good. Happy smiling. Thank you for all your support. YouTube is giving handles to everyone. Here, everyone in the sense, all YouTube creators or the YouTubers and viewers. So, if you have a channel less than 100 subscribers or 0 subscribers, you'll be given a handle by YouTube. So, interested to know more? Let me tell you what is handle. Handle is a unique identifier or unique ID that you can mention on any social media platforms. Thereby, you and your channel get noticed by people and they can connect with you and you can build your rapport. And not only that, they appear in a short tab, search results, comments, and mentions. And people can tag you in their videos. And most important is you can connect with others on YouTube community. This handle always starts with @ As I told earlier, YouTube is giving handle to everyone, but how to know whether you have got an handle or not? That is the question, right? So you can check your mails and your channel dashboard, or you'll be getting a notification. Most probably you'll be getting a mail, so you can go check your mails. So here you can see a mail that I have got from YouTube. You can click on choose a handle and see what is your handle that is given by YouTube. Here I was given a handle as @FlyingSkies1. If at all you want to change, you can change by clicking on change handle as shown in the picture. Please note that you give a handle that is related to your channel name. And don't copy anybody's handle and give it here because YouTube will not accept it as @Manoj Day or @Technical Yogi or @Mr. Beast. As such, as shown in the picture, now you got to give your handle according to your choice. Here I have given @FlyingSkies1. After giving your handle, just click on confirm selection. That's it, done. Your new handle is ready and you can mention in any of the social media platforms. You may ask what about the old URL that I've got for my channel? That will be continued. That will be still working. So how is the new update of YouTube? Did you like? Have you got your handles? If yes, do mention your handle name in the comment section. I'll be waiting for it to see. Yes? Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to Flying Skies 1. Keep smiling. Have a good day.